Gladys, what really surprised you most about Rwanda compared to Kenya?
What really surprised me
Yes.
today
Yes.
is actually you guys are very organized.
Thank you so much. That's good. Thank
It's
you.
very organized.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
And then I went to Mount Kigali University.
University. Oh, you visited the campus?
Yes,
Oh, that's
yes,
good.
yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
And it was amazing. It was very good.
Wow.
Yes.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Right, this is your first day in KGL. You've been at Mount Kigali. Have you been at Kigali Paramount Hotel?
Yes, that's where I'm spending.
That's where you spend the
It's
night.
a posh, very posh place.
Yes.
It's the best.
Okay.
Yes.
I like that.
Mount Kigali, Kigali
Paramount. Yes, yes.
And tomorrow we have a very big gig.
At Kigali Paramount?
Yes.
Tell us more about that.
Yes.
I'm the artist.
Okay.
So I'll be the one who will be performing there.
Okay.
Keraiko Master.
Yay.
That's my name.
Yay.
How my people call me there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a big name out there.
Yes.
I think even Rwanda should know that name.
Yeah.
K Master.
K Master. K Master.
Kenny Master.
So what should your fans in Rwanda expect tomorrow? Yes.
They expect me to give them the best music for our cultural music,
Okay.
urban.
Okay.
So I invite them.
Okay.
Tell them they are so welcome.
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah.
Gladys, what time is the event starting? If you remember. Yeah.
It's gonna start as early as
Okay. 5 p.m. Okay.
5 p.m.
That's good.
Need to understand we have more than 20,000 Kenyans.
Wow. Attending the event tomorrow.
No,
Yep.
in Rwanda.
In Rwanda, yes. Okay.
So
Generally, yes.
I don't. If they
Yes.
come 20, no
Yeah.
Kenyans.
Yeah, okay.
But now we want to target the ones we say we mwega. Do you know mo we mwega?
What does that
Say we mwega.
Wemwela.
Mwega.
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 It's Murima.
Murima.
Murima language.
Okay.
So they speak in our language.
Okay.
The Wemwega language.
Okay.
The Kerema language.
Kelema language.
It's called Zukuyu.
Zokuyu.
Yeah. Zukuyu.
Let me
We
start
are
from
Zukuyu.
So how many languages are in Kenya?
43 or 40 something.
Crisis.
I don't know 41, but I know there is
What?
Kikoyo.
Okay. What is the most famous language?
Kikoyo! Do you know
Yes, like Gladys.
Kikuyus in Kenya are 9.4 million.
What?
The population in Rwanda is
Yes.
12 million,
No,
13 million.
13.
So it's about our Kikuyu and our Ma. It's called Masai.
Wow. I
So
like that,
we
yeah.
want to have just a good time.
Okay.
It's the beginning of
Okay.
a new year.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
They listen to us
Yes.
as much as they listen to the only English station
Yes.
in Rwanda,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Royal FM.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Mm.
And then we have the best DJ who is coming, his
Yes.
DJ Dolls.
DJ Dog,
You
yes.
need to
Dibo,
sing.
DJ.
Sorry, DJ Dibo.
Hey, Dibu, yes.
DJ Dibo.
I think before he performs, he should pass around and give us
He
some.
needs to come and do something.
Yeah, before he
DJ
goes.
Dibo.
Wow.
And we have some very good girls from our digital.
Okay.
Because I'm also a radio presenter.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yes.
From which station in Nairobi?
It's called Kameme FM.
Kameme FM.
I've
That's
been
good.
there for 17 years.
Wow.
You've been a journalist for how long?
It's like 13 years
13?
now.
So you should call me mom.
Yeah, no.
I'm a veteran.
No, you are brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
My God, what is that one thing you wish you knew about Rwanda before you came? Just one thing. Okay, made you are that one thing before you came here. Just one thing.
Just one thing
Yeah.
I have come to realize
Yes.
is that there is no things that I do use.
Okay. For example, what things? that's a hard one, man. That's big, bro. That's very bro. What's that thing that you use that is not?
They are not here. He needs to say.
Oh, you need to say that. I know.
You're going to be arrested right here.
There isn't.
Okay.
So I love that
No.
this country.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Oh, it's illegal.
Yeah.
100?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Let us just keep it
Yeah.
indoors.
Yeah.
Yes. You love the camera button, yeah?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. That's so good. Now, Gladys, what does this word mean? Donjo Mabel.
Jojo Mabe,
Yes.
Jojo.
I've waited for someone who
Jojo
this song is big. We just dance, but Dojo, is it Dojo Mabel?
Don't show my bell.
Yes, what does that mean?
I am going to bring you someone called Stacy Wa Digital tomorrow.
Okay.
She's the one who teaches me those kind of
The slangs.
the Gen Z,
the Gen Z, I know.
and then the DJ Dibo.
Yeah.
So and one going to rank.
Yeah.
So they are